In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook error code CAA2000B. If you've encountered this error, it's often linked to authentication issues, particularly with Microsoft 365 accounts, Teams integration, or corrupted credentials. You might also face them due to problems with your Windows account token or conflicts involving your network or security software. But don't worry, we're going to walk through the most effective fixes together. First, we'll start by addressing your account settings. To do this, go ahead and open your device's settings. Once in Settings, navigate to Accounts and then to the section labeled Access Work or School. Here you'll see a list of the accounts that are connected to your device. Find your Microsoft or Work account in this list. When you've located your account, click on it and choose the option to disconnect. By doing this, you're effectively removing and then allowing for a clean reconnection of your account, which can resolve various sign-in issues. After you've removed your account, the next step is crucial. Restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches or lingering background processes that might be contributing to the error. Once your computer has rebooted, it's time to add your account again. Go back to the same section in Settings, Access Work, or School, and this time choose the option to connect. Re-enter your account details and let your computer re-establish a clean connection. Another common cause of the CAA2000B error is corrupted login tokens. These are stored credentials that, if damaged, can prevent you from signing in successfully. Luckily, there's a straightforward way to address this, and it involves clearing your cached credentials. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard along with the letter R. This will open the Run dialog box. In the field provided, type in control-key-mgr.yml and press Enter. This command opens the Windows Credential Manager. Once in the Credential Manager, you'll notice separate sections for web credentials and Windows credentials. Navigate to the Windows Credentials section. Here you'll need to look through the list and find entries related to Microsoft, Office, or Outlook. These are the credentials linked to your accounts that can often become corrupted. Select each related entry and choose to remove them. This step effectively clears out any corrupted data that might be causing the authentication error. With your credentials cleared, you should now restart Outlook. Open the application and try signing in again with your Microsoft account. Throughout this process, you've cleared out old connections and set up fresh ones, which can often resolve persistent issues like the CAA2000B error. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively troubleshoot and resolve the error code CAA2000B in Outlook. If the issue persists, consider checking for any blocked ports or further conflicts with other software. But for many users, these steps provide a reliable solution. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to a seamless email experience.